How to harness ChatGPT for text summarization and paraphrasing. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video we are going to see how you can use ChatGPT to paraphrase and for summary purpose. So for example, I am going to give a statement to ChatGPT. Create a summary of this paragraph, and then I'm going to paste a text which I have copied. So I am going to enter. So as you can see, ChatGPT is generating a summary for this. So it has generated an amazing response for this long paragraph. So again I am going to ask create. So it is a little bit long. I am going to ask create a short so as you can see, it has generated a summary into 3 to 4 lines. So you can ask it to narrow down more. So I have copied a long paragraph. I am going to ask ChatGPT to paraphrase this text. As you can see, ChatGPT has paraphrased this long, and I am going to ask him to create points for this. As you can see, it has generated a paragraph, and then here are below points. So as you can see, you can use ChatGPT for paraphrasing and summary creation. So hopefully you liked the video. If you like, tell us in the comments. If you want more content like this one, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.